I was home taking care of my first baby who was 8 days old.
We were in the living room at our house in Villa Park, Illinois, which is a suburb of Chicago.
My kids, they were little, like 3 and 4 and 13.
There's only 2 times in my life that I can remember my mom letting me stay up late.
I had a good friend in Indianapolis, Dave. He invited several people over to his apartment for a big cookout and watch the moon landing.
Eastern Illinois University's Booth Library, the EIU Department of History, and WEIU present an hour-long program, To the Moon and Back, an oral history of the lunar landing from July 20th, 1969. 12 residents from Central Illinois share their thoughts on where they were when the first person landed on the moon. Don't miss To the Moon and Back, Tuesday, February 5th at 8 on WEIU.